Our today's topic is the first cities from grade 6 history. The first cities came into being in the valley of river Indus. They were Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Both are now in Pakistan. They were inhabited till about 3500 years ago. Over time, however, they were got buried under the ground and were lost and forgotten. In the early 20th century, they were discovered and excavated. Now we will talk about the extension of the cities. During excavation, it is found that the city's large part are present in the present days Pakistan and some parts of Indian states, just like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Gujarat. Still, some have been excavated and thoroughly researched, while others are still awaiting. Now, we will talk about the city's civilization. Most cities were well planned. The streets cut each other at right angle. In Mohenjo-daro, the main streets was over 800 meter long and 10 meter wide. The houses were built on the both sides of the street with baked bricks. The cities were divided into two parts, Acropolis and Lower Town. Acropolis was one part which was built on the raised ground. It had high walls made up of bricks which provided protection during floods. Acropolis contained public buildings, religious structures, granaries, the palace of ruler and ruling classes consist of rich merchant and priests probably lived over there. Lower Town. Lower Town was at the lower height but much bigger in area. It had small buildings and houses of common people. The residential buildings have been found in the Lower Town. The houses were 1 or 2 story highs. They were built of baked bricks. Most houses had courtyards with rooms around it, a bathroom and a kitchen. Now we will talk about Great Bath. It is the most important part of the civilization. The Great Bath was in a triangular shape, resembles like a swimming pool. It is made up of baked bricks and has been made watertight with a layer of tar. The Great Bath has 2 flights of steps, one on each side. There were rooms on the sides for changing clothes also. Water was probably drawn from a well drained out after use. The Great Bath was perhaps used for bathing on the special occasions. This civilization was well planned, but there was a reason of decline that nobody knows the reason behind declination of this civilization. But it is assumption that due to a natural disaster such as earthquake, flood, epidemics, changes in the course of river Indus and civilization declined or disappeared. Thank you. Have a nice day.